So before pulling an oracle card, I want you to take a moment to ground yourself and to breathe deeply in from the nose and out slowly from the mouth. Come into your heart. Open your heart and allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. Now choose a card. And now open your five senses and simply notice, what do you feel? What do you see? What emotion, memories, or sensation arise within you? Your intuition already speaks to you. You just need to listen. And sometimes the message is not only in the guidebook. It's in the feeling of the cards. The feeling the cards awakens inside of you. The color, the symbols, the nature's teaching, and an energy that carries its own language. I want you to trust yourself, to trust the guidance you receive. And your soul often knows the message before the mind understands it. Just need to trust yourself and have confidence. And if you don't have your oracle card deck, you can come get them at Northern Serenity Wholeness.